How to manage orders in Wcart. From the dashboard section, navigate to the sidebar menu and select Orders to open the Manage Orders section. Start by using the Filter drop-down to view date-wise orders. All orders. This shows every single order you've received till now. Today. Want to check today's orders? This shows only the orders placed today. Yesterday. As the name says, this will show you orders placed yesterday. This week. This gives you orders from the start of the current week up to today. Last week, you'll see orders from the previous full week here. This month, all orders from the start of the current month till now. Last month, all orders from the previous month. Custom range. Need to check orders from a specific period? You can manually choose the start and end dates. Next up is the user filter. This helps you find orders placed by specific users. All users shows orders placed by everyone. Individual users. You can select a customer by name. The list will show only those users who've placed at least one order. This is super useful when you want to track a particular customer's activity. Once you apply your filters, you'll see a list of orders. Here's what each column means. Serial number, this is just the serial number for the row. Order ID, a unique ID given to each order. Order map ID, this helps you know whether the order is linked to a vendor or handled directly by the admin. For vendor orders, the format looks like order ID, product ID, vendor ID. For admin orders, it's order ID, product ID, order date, the date the order was placed. Buyer name, the name of the customer who placed the order. Total amount, the full amount paid for the order. Payment mode, this tells you how the customer paid. Order status. This is where you can see what's happening with the order. Action. Finally, on the right, there's a view icon. When you click on it, it opens the full order details so you can manage everything from there. At the bottom right of the table, you can control which page you're viewing using the pagination buttons, previous, page numbers, and next, and see how many entries are currently being displayed.